Well, talking about controversies, let's bring our focus back to the Parliament. The winter session of Parliament ended today, but the controversy and politics continues. Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament from Aam Aadmi Party, Sanjay Singh, has triggered a controversy by remarking, and this was during the discussion on the G Ramji bill, and I quote him, that even haram contains Ram during a debate. The Bharatiya Janata Party has launched a sharp attack on AAP after Sanjay Singh's remark. He made this statement, as we just pointed out, while opposing the Viksit Bharat Gramin Rozgar or Manav Garima bill, or the G Ram G bill, which is called, and which is replaced the Mahatma Manrega scheme earlier. The remark has, however, been expunged, but the political exchange unfolded as the Parliament has passed this bill through a voice vote amidst protests by the opposition parties. It staged a sit-in outside the Samvidhan Sadan in Parliament. That's the Trinamool Congress for 12 hours, and even the Congress party has opposed it.
Aam Aadmi Party has now crossed all limits of Hindu hatred. We always knew that Aam Aadmi Party, just like Samajwadi Party, TMC and Congress, is anti-Hindu. So there's a constant attack on Ram and there's a constant attack on Hindu Astha. Hindu Astha ko do gali, taki mile vote bank ki tali. This has become their pranali. Aam Aadmi Party should tell us what action they will take on Sanjay Singh. This is unacceptable. It is abusing the faith of crores and crores of people across the world. To use Prabhu Shri Ram's name in this manner, will any other prophet or Lord or God's name be used in such manner? No, they will not do it. They will say Sartan se juda in that case. But the casual abuse of Hindu Astha and Prabhu Shri Ram, which is constantly done by Aam Aadmi Party, Congress, Trinamool Congress, Samajwadi Party, this shows a pattern. Vote bank के लिए चाहिए वोट, तो इसलिए करो हिंदू आस्था पर चोट.
Okay, let me just go across to Arunima, who's been tracking these developments through the day today. Arunima, despite the fact it has been expunged, clearly the BJP is not going to let the AAP and opposition party forget this.
Yes, and because the other opposition parties also made a big deal about the change in name, we saw even the opposition MPs like Shashi Tharoor, they started off their rebuttal to this bill by saying Ram ka naam badnaam na karo. And of course, then we saw Trinamool Congress Rajya Sabha MPs sitting on an overnight dharna at the gate number 1 of the old Parliament building. They also said Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, and they were continuing to protest. So this has been the mainstay of the opposition in this entire session, vehement opposition to the name change, saying that this is insult to Mahatma Gandhi. So to counter the opposition, BJP has now found a stick to beat the opposition with. Sanjay Singh, whatever his sentiments were, the usage of an abusive word and saying that Shri Ram's name is found even in that abusive word is something that the Bharatiya Janata Party will use politically. In terms of ethics committee or privilege committee, when we asked Kiran Rijiju if there was any complaint from Rajya Sabha, he clarified that the complaints have been made for the conduct of Lok Sabha MPs who stood on the table during their protest when Shivraj Singh Chauhan was speaking. But in Rajya Sabha, no such complaint has been received so far. We'll have to wait and see if that position changes. But at this point, it looks like Sanjay Singh, Aam Aadmi Party and the opposition will be politically targeted by the BJP.
Yes, and on the G Ramji name itself, I mean, there was a lot of attacks coming in from the BJP that the main reason why they're opposing it because it's got Ram in it. So that's not the reason which has been given by the opposition.
Yes, what the BJP has countered by saying that even when the Ram Mandir was being constructed in Ayodhya, the senior opposition members did not go and pay their respect. So they've always been opposed to Ram. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, when countering Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on the floor of Lok Sabha, said, Sanak hame nahi hai, Sanak aapko hai. Priyanka Gandhi had said that, you have a fetish for name change, to which Shivraj Singh Chauhan said that your family, the first family, the Nehru Gandhi family, has been utilizing their name to name every policy on that. So don't tell us that we are anti-Mahatma Gandhi. And what is your objection? Because Mahatma Gandhi too wanted Ram Rajya. This bill is actually taking forward that dream. So Bharatiya Janata Party and the United Opposition, and you've reported this, that CWC is meeting on the 27th, but this will be at the center of that meeting. So both sides are preparing grounds because they feel ahead of elections in Tamil Nadu and especially in West Bengal, this bill and the change of name could become at the heart of the political discourse that both the ruling and the opposition side bring to the table.
All right. Many thanks, Arunima, for getting that into perspective.